Thank you for joining me today. Today I want to show you how to do a chain. So we're going to start with a basic line just to guide us a little bit. And we'll do another one. Just kind of try to give the same space, you know what I mean? So you kind of have an idea of what you need to do for the spacing, and then we're going to move from there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do some kind of like a bean type of shape. So it's going to be something like this. And this is basically one of the chain links from like a side view of it. And then we're going to do another one. And as you can see, try to keep them, you know, almost the same. They don't have to be perfect, but try to. And then we just continue. I'm going to continue this. Well, as you can see, the spacing needs to be a little bit more. So now that we got these two lines and this one here, what we need to do is connect it. And the way you got to think about a chain link is there's going to be a connection between this one and that one. And the way you want to do that is something like this. So this one is going to act as if it's going in there, right? So basically it's kind of like this is how you hook them together. Like I said, the lines can be, oh man, that's horrible. Okay, my pencil broke down, so I have to fix it. But as you can see, we just kind of go and connect this. Same thing here. So this is basically part of the other chain link, which we're gonna add from here. And see, this is why I do those first two lines, just so I can kind of guide myself a little bit. And then you gotta remember, they're gonna have a little bit of spacing. Same thing here. And that's how we start just with something basic, couple lines, and then you just come back, something in the middle, something in the middle, and then you just keep adding. Boom. Simple. And then you go again, you go again, you match it, and voila, you just keep doing that. So these will start from here, you know, like I said, just simple lines, boom, boom, and then lines in the middle, and each line you just connect it between one and the other, and then boom. And you know, let's say you want to get more creative, see, like this one, it already has the chain. So let's say you want to add a hook. This is how I will do it. So I will basically just imagine there's something nicer is gonna look. But yeah, so that's basically it. Just remember to do your lines first. This one, this one, and that's just your basic guidelines. Voila, it's that simple. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and you learned something today. Let me know if you want to see something else in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you need to know, and I'll teach you whatever I know, the way I do it. And if you can give me a like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate it, and thank you for following me. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Have a good one.